Is your throat hurting?
Watch
Are you
this.
coughing a lot? I'm going to show you what to do. Alright, take your index finger and place it in your ears. Just like this. And twist this. Okay, 36 times like this. Okay, gently. In our ears, we have a lot of acupuncture points. Alright, so when you do this, you start to stimulate the specific
well.
acupuncture points that help regulate your lung function. Do this a few times a day. Whenever you get a chance, start to move 36 times, and really your throat will stop hurting and your cough will get